So over here you can see that I got certain tasks right here which are allocated. And let's say what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and then reset out all of the tasks right here that I have so that it's like a new account. In that case, what you can do is you can go around on the settings right here, and here you can see that reset app is an option, as you can see, and then it's under the accounts, and you can see that it's labeled as danger zone because once you click on this button or this one, you may lose the data. So I'm just going to reset the app, and it says, are you sure you want to reset the app? This will clear all the tasks and settings. So if I were to simply go ahead and click on reset, then simply what happens now is it acts as if I just set up a structured app right here. So you can see that this is what you have. Everything is gone just like this, and the account details are gone. There's no way to actually recover it back now. So you really need to be sure that you don't want any data if you want to reset out the account. And that is how you can simply reset out the account in Structured. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.